Feasibility analysis is performed using the feasibility matrix to determine the feasibility of automating any given task. The feasibility matrix is in the form of an Excel file and includes two sheets: Feasibility Matrix and Legends. The feasibility matrix sheet is where you will actually perform the feasibility analysis by responding to the various questions in the Operations Response column. General information about the process, such as its name, needs to be entered in the table in the upper left corner. You also need to answer a few questions in the context of the process. These questions are based on three aspects: process input, technical feasibility, and volumetric. The process input section consists of questions related to inputs needed for the process. For instance, you will need to specify the percentage of the input which is available in scanned format. Similarly, the technical feasibility section covers questions pertaining to technical aspects of the process, such as judgmental decision-making. Information about the volume of work involving the process, for instance, the average handling time, needs to be entered in the volumetric section. Enter correct information about the process by selecting and typing the correct responses to the given questions. Let us take the example of the technology firm Logix. The finance department has to automate the process of salary slip generation and emailing those to the respective department heads. Here, enter the value HR for business unit and business unit vertical. The project name here is Salary Handling, and enter the name of the project manager. Let us answer some process input questions. Select a percentage range for input in scanned form. Answer whether you have access to scanned data in electronic form. Select the percentage of this input data that can be copied. Also enter the percentage of unstructured data. For structured data, if there is a standard template, mention the frequency of the template updates. Next comes the technical feasibility questions. Mention if your process involves working in Citrix. If yes, state if this allows copying of data. If no, state if data can be extracted from any other system. Next, answer whether the process involves judgmental or decision-making. Also mention the percentage of volume dependency on clarification via call or emails. Finally, you have the volumetric questions. Type the number of full-time employees involved, the average daily volume flowing through the process, and the average handling time. Based on the responses, the feasibility index value and feasibility rating is displayed here. Note that the value and the color keeps changing as per the inputs. You may check the Legends sheet to understand how the feasibility rating depends upon the feasibility index value or score. This information will help Logix decide whether it can automate a process or not.